Coach Clifford, the opposition coach had stated that tomorrow's game will be a pressure match between both the teams for FC Goa with the chances of finishing on top of the league and for the opposition to maintain their top four hopes. How do you see the game tomorrow? And yeah.
Yeah, first of all, good afternoon. I think he has stated it correctly. Two teams with two different objectives. They want to finish in the top four. We want to obviously be at the top. But the pressure will be on both the teams. The intensity, the importance of the game is the most, compared to other games. And in this game, especially in this round, is because they want to finish in the top four. We want to be champions. I will say we will want to be finish at the top. And after this, we have just one game left. So there is no margin for error. There is no margin where we can say, okay, there are 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 games left. We can improve further. No. So the margin for error is very less. So it is one game that's going to be very intense, very hard, and it's going to be very, very difficult game for us and for Mumbai. So when he has put it in that context, I think he's put it correctly.
Can I read out this question? To fight for the top spot, ATK is in close competition. That said, with 2 games in hand, will also have to win by wide margin tomorrow against Mumbai and Jamshedpur. Does that also give pressure to the home team?
You mean the pressure on us?
Yeah, pressure on us, given that you have to win by a large goal margin.
For us, the equation is simple. Win our 2 games, and then let's see what happens with ATK. In this moment, there are 3 teams that are in the fray to finish at the top spot, and I think that's Bengaluru, us, and ATK. And I feel that the team that's placed best to win, to be on the top is ATK. For them, it's simple: win 2 games and don't worry about others. For us, we have to win our 2 games, which we will try our best to do. For our focus is on us. Let's win. For us, it's like let's win our 2 games and we'll see what happens with others. But in my opinion, I think the team that's best placed is ATK. It is their title to lose, so the pressure is on them. It's not on us. We are, for us, it's just to win our 2 games and then we'll see how it goes.
How different is the mood in the dressing room compared to last week?
Say again. I'm sorry.
How different is the mood in the dressing room compared to last week? Is there much improvement? Is it a bit positive now?
What do you mean by improvement? I really don't know if they were angry, but like I said, I was away, and when I came back from Germany, I thought it's the same that I left. When I left, I could see a positive mood. The normal one. I wouldn't say positive, but that's our normal. So normal means for us is positive. For us, normal means positive. And when I arrived back from Germany, I could see the same mood. I could see no difference. So whatever negativity or whatever things that are happening inside the club or around the club is whatever pressure is being put, I feel is external. Is not within the dressing room. Is not within the team. I think we are in what I feel is what was 3 weeks back, what was last week, and what is this in this moment is the same. And that is the players are in the good spirit. The players are ready to go and with one aim, and that is to try and win the game, remaining 2 games, and finish at the top. Or whatever happens, whatever has happened is out of our control. And like I said, the management has made it clear. In their acknowledgement letter everywhere that we are thankful. The club is thankful, the players, the management, and me personally as well, to whatever to Sergio for what has happened. But beyond that, I think there is no negativity at all.
Hi, Hugo. You've had one of the best seasons in the ISL currently. What would you credit it to? Is it your chemistry with the team, has it been the overall progress that you've had with FC Goa over 2 years now? What has been the cause of your improvement?
Opposite of last season, this season I play more. I start every game, and then we have a stability. We know each other more and more because we are playing together since 3 years. So it's easier for all the players to play together, to create chances, to score goals. It's easier for me, so I'm trying to do my best to help the team and get the 3 points in each game.
Hugo, you celebrated your goals with a lot of enthusiasm in the last game. Was it to send a message to the supporters that they rally behind the team and support the club as always?
Yeah, of course. It was. I enjoyed a lot because I was happy to score that goal and to show to the fan that I was happy and that we really want to finish at the top this season and that we need the support from them. All of you saw that the attendance is lower than last 2 seasons. So we need them. We need them to be at the stadium to support us because it's very important. So I hope that for the last game that we will get now against Mumbai and then in semi-final, hope they will come in number and support us at the stadium.
Hugo, you have been having a great season this year, and you have attributed in the past that Lobera has a great hand in your improvement. That said, and with an extended contract with FC Goa, does a thought linger in your mind whether I should terminate my contract post the season or stay on?
Sorry?
Would you look at continuing with FC Goa? I know you have an extended contract. Would you look at terminating your contract that Lobera is no more with this club?
Yeah, I'm here with FC Goa for 2 more years. And whoever the coach will be, I'll still be here next season.
Yes, we have a full squad.
Hi coach, Mumbai is a team which has had 14 different goal scorers. It isn't the same set of attackers that you see, which you can target or which you can block or, have a specific plan against. What challenges does this put forward to you in tomorrow's game?
As you rightly said, they had 14 different scorers. So we can't, target any specific player or, how would I say, mark someone or give special attention to someone. So that means we have to take care of the entire team, because anyone there is capable of scoring. So, there is no special, there will be no special attention to any player, but it will all be on how technically organized we are and how much we can nullify, neutralize their technical approach and be on top of them. That will be our way of playing, and which is normal for us right from the day we started till this moment here.
Bumu, in spite of FC Goa continuously coming up with good performances, a lot of wins on trot, but the numbers at home have been declining, like from around 12,000 fans to around 10,000. What would be your message to the fans for tomorrow's game?
For tomorrow's game or tomorrow's team?
For tomorrow's game.
Okay. I hope they will come in number, that the stadium will be full and we'll enjoy all together the 3 points.
You are having a good run currently, having picked 10 points in your last 4 games. Given the opposition tomorrow, very formidable opposition, and that you all are without your forward Amain, who has played in all the games thus far, how do you look at the game?
I'm happy with my team. with the performance and with the last results. We have 2 games till the end of the regular season, so it's 6 points, and we need points to finish on the place that from the beginning we are saying that we want to finish on the top 4. Knowing that tomorrow it will be a very difficult game against one of the best teams in ISL. One team that the history say that is always difficult for us to play against. But anyway, tomorrow is against Goa. It's 3 points that we have to fight for, and we'll fight, and because we want to go, because we need points, and we want to go home with the 3 points.
Coach, the home leg of this matchup was quite an open game. What do you anticipate will happen tomorrow's game, given that both the teams are close to their objectives, fighting for their objectives? What kind of a game do you foresee?
For sure, it will be an open game. Goa don't know how to play different. The games against Goa, or the games when Goa is involved, it's always an open game, especially because of the quality that they have and the way that they play. So tomorrow we'll have one team that is already qualified for the semi-finals, but fighting to win the regular league against other team that is fighting to finish on the top 4. So both of the teams they have the pressure to play for a result. Even like this, I think it will be an open game, a good game. I hope that the people that will come to the stadium and staying home and on the TV, that they can enjoy the game, and especially the fans of Mumbai City at the end with the 3 points.
Coach, there are 3 teams who are fighting for the 4th spot, Mumbai, Chennai and Odisha. Yeah. From among the 3 teams, do you believe Mumbai are the favourites to finish 4th?
Sorry?
3 teams are fighting, Mumbai, Chennai, Odisha. Do you think Mumbai are the favourites?
Everything can happen. Everything can happen. What I said that after the last game is I don't know what will happen at the end. I don't know if you will win these 2 games or not. But I'm very proud of all the work that we are doing since the beginning. So whatever can happen in these 2 games, I will keep it because I think we are doing an amazing job from the first day that we start. Saying this, the good thing for us is that we depend on the things that we must do or we can do. We are not depending of the others to lose points or to don't win games. So we must to keep doing our job and trying to win the games. We have 2 very difficult games, but my target, my focus, it's tomorrow. I cannot think in Chennai and forget Goa. So I will give my best tomorrow. The players, they will give their best tomorrow. I will play with my best first 11, in my opinion, of course, in the conditions that we have. And I will do my best to go back home with the 3 points.
Do you think this is the best time to play FC Goa, given that recently the coach has parted ways, the club has parted ways with the coach, and inexperienced interim coach is in charge? So do you think your club can capitalize on this situation?
They will not change nothing. They will not change nothing. Goa, they are doing so well from the beginning that They didn't change the players. They didn't change some people from the management. So they didn't have time to work in different things. And to be honest, I think that they don't need to change. They are so good, they are playing so well that they don't need to change. So I don't believe that they will change players in the first 11. Almost 100% I can tell you the first 11 of Goa tomorrow. I can tell you how they will play. The only thing I cannot tell you is the final result. The other things I don't believe. To be honest, I don't believe that they will change. They will change nothing. Maybe my English is not so good, but I say that I'm very proud from the first day that we start. I think we are doing, maybe, I know that in my job and the players, people, they only see the results. If we qualify for the top 4, people will say, wow, very nice job. If we don't, they will say different things. But I know what I am doing from the first day. The players, they know what they are doing since the first day. And I will not allow no one to say different things that the things that I know and the players, they know. We are doing well. I'm so proud of this team that I cannot say that it was the 2 games against Bangalore that was the... And I believe that the best is still... I'm still waiting for the best moment of the season.
When FC Goa have scored first, most of the times they've won the games. But similarly, they have led off almost 19 goals in the second half. Would we see Mumbai trying to take the advantage of the stats in the first half?
So you're saying that when they score first, normally they win. So we must to score first and them. And then the second half they score a lot?
They've led off more goals.
We play 45 minutes, it's enough. No, serious. Yes, I know all these things. And I know that Goa, they can score in set pieces, in counter-attacks. This Hugo is doing things that it's amazing. So he can do different things and he can score because he's really in the wonderful shape. We know all this. But also we know that we can do very good things. We don't have a way to score, fortunately. We have 14 different players scoring in different situations. So also I believe that also the other coaches, they don't know exactly what we can do. That's why I'm thinking that tomorrow we can and we'll have for sure a nice game.